Hi and welcome. So last week we made an unboxing of the Ducky 1-2 keyboard. Today we're unboxing this, the Logitech Pro Wireless, the G Pro mouse. It's all wrapped up in plastic. So first thing that we're gonna do is knife it. So I think this could be done without a knife, but you know, knives are fun. Just gonna see if I can get a slice up there, and here we go. Start by removing the plastic, throwing that away, and now shake it a little bit so we get a good grip. Remove the lid. Ooh, well, this is nice packaging. It's just right there, easy as pie. Whoa, this weighs absolutely zero. Okay, so it's not zero, but compared to my old Logitech MX518, it weighs nothing. So we're gonna start with peeling off the plastic from the bottom. That's a nice sound. Feels good in the hand. Good with the buttons. We have extra button. No, we don't. Okay, so we might be able to move them in case we wanna, you know. So we're gonna remove this plastic. Place that one over there. C4, C5, C6 and C4, C5, G6 and G7. I'm guessing that's different weights. But first we have the the adapter or the receiver. Okay, we have a light speed connection. I believe we can connect that one to the charger. Okay, so this is different buttons. Oh, it's different buttons. Well, that's nice. I'm not really sure what I would need them to. I mean, of course, if they break, then yeah, or if they get worn out, yeah, sure, then I might need replacements, but it says C4 and C5 and then G6 and G7, and by the looks of it, well, they are slightly different. I'm not gonna remove them because then I would never fit them together again. So we're gonna close this one up. This one I'm gonna keep open or remove because I'm guessing that I will need it. Plastic, paper. Okay. So let's. Okay, so this is the cable. Get it. A nice sticker. Well, this cable is actually really soft. I mean, my old mouse is not nearly as soft as this one, and I will need this to charge the mouse. Now I'm hoping I won't need to charge it that often, but I get that I will have to charge it occasionally, unless I get the mouse pad. This is a long cable. I mean, I got about, I don't know, it's more than 2 meters long. I'm guessing I could plug it in like that and just have the adapter and have the cable plugged in forever, and then when I need to charge the mouse I just disconnect the connector and connect the charge cable to the mouse. This one should be twistable, or maybe not. Yeah, there we go. Oh, so it's just a magnet. Alright, so I can just push it down and remove it. Okay. And then I can have the adapter inside the mouse. Well, that's nice. Put that one back there. I'm guessing this is a connect button, and this is an on-off button. Then we have some... Okay, so it's buttons for the different sides. So the C4 and C5 go on the left side of the mouse, which is the thumb, where you used your thumb, and the G4 and G5. Wait a minute. G4 and G5. This is G4, G5. Oh. So 2 of them are buttons and 2 of them are just blanks. This is what I can tell from this. Yeah, so I can have blanks in here. So yeah, it's just if you're left-handed, or if you have the mouse in the left hand, then you use that one. Now, I'm guessing that this mouse isn't charged. Hey, wait a minute, it is. It is charged. It was off before. Alright. So we're gonna take this little donkadonk and connect it. There we go. And then we're actually gonna connect this mouse now. Now I am gonna place this about there maybe, so that I have the charging cable close. Alright, so let's remove this old mouse. Put that one over there and replace it with this one. Alright. Okay, so we've connected the mouse. Well, connected the cable. Okay, I might need to clean here. It's a bit dusty, I realize. Anyway, so we have connected it. Right, let's power it on. It's powered on. Okay, I do need to charge it. Right, so as it feels right now, I really like the lightweight of it. It feels a little plastic, to be honest. Not that it feels bad quality, but it does feel a little plastic. Not like the old MX518, which doesn't feel nearly as plastic, but then again weighs a lot more. It doesn't have the same grip. The old 518 feels really good in the hand, so does the G Pro. Hands down, it feels really good. The buttons feel reliable. Feels like if I were a person who had a lot of rage while gaming and slamming the mouse in the table, it might not last that long. Okay, so the MX518 is a beast. I'm not sure even a nuclear bomb would end it. This, however, feels like it could break. Not that I believe that it will. We'll know more about that in a few years when I've used it.
2 weeks later.
So now that I've used this mouse for a little bit, I really do like how it feels in my hand. There's no problem with it whatsoever. I am gonna have to change the flip-flop wheel, or I'm gonna have to go into the register in Windows to change direction of the wheel, the mouse wheel. So yeah, game on. This was the Logitech G Pro Wireless. Feels really good in the hand. I like the quality, even if it does feel a little plastic. Mainly probably because it is plastic, and if it wasn't plastic I would not be able to have this light mouse. It would weigh much more if it wasn't. Alright, so that was it for today. Now if you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, any future unboxings, and until I see you next time, have a good one. Bye!